Hey guys, Terrence here. Yesterday I was cleaning out my truck and I removed some change from the cup holders because I was cleaning those out as well, just making sure everything looks nice and neat. Some of the change was stuck in there, so I took it out and put it in my pocket. Some of the change fell on the ground and rolled under the truck. So I climbed under my truck and I noticed something weird or strange. And the fuel strap was hanging on one side. My truck is a 2010. Underneath my truck it's in very good condition. I keep my truck up for the year. It's in really good condition. You barely see any rust, and I'll show you guys in a second. But I was shocked that the fuel strap was sagging on one side. And I remember getting a recall notice about 3 or 4 months ago. I didn't pay any mind to it. My truck has been great. I really don't take it in for nothing. So I got a flashlight and I looked under there and I see where it had corroded at, and I'm like, wow, this is an issue. So I looked at the recall, went online, looked at the recall. It was for that exact problem. It was for trucks typically in the year, if I'm not mistaken, 2009 to 2012. The trucks that that are located in the cold U.S. States and Canada. And I'm from Illinois, so we see a lot of snow here. And of course, they use a lot of salt to remove the snow from the roads. So I called Dodge and they asked me was the strap sagging or the tank sagging. I told them yes. So they immediately requested I get the truck in there. If the strap wasn't sagging, I don't think they'd attend to it as fast as they did. Probably would have kind of scheduled farther down the line. I'm not sure, but they requested I get it in there as quick as possible. And I've looked online. There hasn't been any accidents related to the issue, but it can cause a problem if not attended to. So I'm taking it to Dodge first thing in the morning. I'll be there at 7:30. Like I said, they were adamant about me getting it in quick, which is great. And let me show you guys the issue.
The tank, the strap is sagging on one side, and I can actually move the tank. So they requested I kind of bring it in with a quarter tank of gas at the most. So let me show you guys exactly what happened. I got a flashlight. You can see the strap. It's not even in the slot. And if you look at the slot, let me see if I can get it in here real quick. Try to zoom in now. If you can look at the slot, it's actually kind of corroded out like they said. So we're taking it to Dodge tomorrow, and I'll film everything, and I'll show you guys the fix and everything. So I just want to show you guys this, and stay tuned.
Had to pick up my truck. Waiting on the guy to bring it up.
Okay guys, we're under here now. It's been fixed. Let's see what they did.
Oh wow. They put a brace here to reinforce it. That's a brace to reinforce the thing. Good job. It's neatly did too. A huge brace. Oh wow. Alright guys. Just wanted to show you guys this, and if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Terrence in the mouth.